Hey everybody, it's CG. Let's do a quick announcement to you guys to remind everybody the live stream tonight for the cooking challenge will be over on Go for Green Living, which is Daniel. Um, I am furiously packing. I had an infusion this week, which has helped so much with the pain, and I'm able to get up and do stuff, and I've got very short time to get everything done. So I am just jam-packed, and Daniel is going to absolutely step up and help me out here. We are going to be taking a break after this, like we said, and we're going to make some changes and some improvements that we think you all are going to enjoy. It's going to make it better for everybody. But for tonight, what you need to know, the live stream for the cooking challenge results, again, will be on Go for Green Living. I will leave a link down below in the description for you guys. Make sure you are subbed and hit that notification bell so that you'll get the notification when he goes live. It should be, I believe, the same time that we always have it, 7 Central. But make sure you click that bell so you know for sure when he goes live, because it's going to be a lot of fun. So you guys have a great day. We will see you there, and thank you all again for voting and participating. We love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.